These lights has just been taken a beating out there in all kinds of weather, and the good news is they still work. So let's check this out. Welcome back guys to ZRK Reviews, and today what I'm going to be setting up and reviewing is the Mr. Beam's, not Mr. Beam, Mr. Beam's remote control spotlight. So I had these two spotlights for over a couple of months now, and I'm really impressed with the design and the features that it carries. So what I'm going to do is unbox the contents that you get inside the box and also show you how good these two lights are. Right guys, so this is the retail box that your light will come in, and quickly looking at the key product features. Number one, batteries last up to 100 hours of continuous use, weather resistant and durable, motion sensor with 10-meter range, auto shut off after 1 or 4 hours, easy installation with no wiring required. That's one good thing I like about it, and includes remote control to turn on and off. Spotlight specifications: 140 lumens light output, 32 meters square light coverage, 3 batteries, that's your 3D batteries, which are not included. Ideal lighting solutions are for stables, warehouses, garages, driveways, garden paths and porches, or you can just use it anywhere you want. Alright, nice and neat standard box. Obviously I've taken out the light already, so this is the light that you will get. So just a recap on what you'll get inside the box: you'll get an instruction manual on how to set up and install your light. You'll also get a leaflet of different kind of products that Mr. Beams provide. You will get one remote wall carry case. You will get one remote control pad, and also you'll get your battery for the controller. And not to forget, you will also get the spotlight. Right, let's set this up. Right, first of all, get yourself a coin and remove the back cover of the remote. Insert the battery, turn it clockwise to lock. You can start clicking the pad, you'll see a green light. That means the remote is working. Onto the light. You can see there's a lock and an unlock feature. All you do is just unwind this. To open up this cover and install the D batteries, all you have to do is use your thumb and push this lid up, just like that. You will need 3 good batteries. You can see a 2 negative and a positive sign there. Push down with your thumb. You'll hear the click, and now that is secure. Now let's put the cover back on. Right, this is your standard control. So if you just unwind this, you can actually control and adjust the light. So the features on the remote: you have your on and off, you have your decrease and increase level of brightness, and you have your sensor motion here. If you want the auto shut off feature, just hold on to the on button for a couple of seconds, and this will show you 1 blink, and that should last you for 1 hour of continuous light. Now, to have the auto shut off feature for 4 hours, just hold on to the on button for a couple of more seconds, and then this should blink twice. Now you have 3 options to increase or decrease the brightness. So at the moment it's on 60 lumens, and to increase it to 90, just click on this once, and to increase it to 140, just click on it again. And to decrease it back to the stage of 60 lumens, just click on the decrease button twice. Right, if you want to turn on the motion sensor that will last you up to 30 seconds, just click on this button and it will flash 4 times. And if you want to turn it off, click on this button again and it will flash twice. So since I've got 2 lights and 2 remotes, I just want to use one remote for the 2 lights that I have. So there is a synchronize and pair feature on these spotlights. So So let's go ahead and connect these. Switch this one on so we know that this remote is for that light. Click and hold on this button on the side, and also click on the on button simultaneously. And as you can see, the light has been switched on. Off, on, decrease and increase of the brightness. And you have your sensor motion working too. So let's switch this one off and let's carry out some more tests. Two red circles appear to show where the two lights were buried under 4 inches of snow. It's been through extreme freezing conditions, including heavy rain, which made me worried that they may not work again for such a small device. I had to rush and get them out and test these, and was surprised they both still work. The base on this carries 3 holes for wall mount installation. Now gradually you may see some dirt around the device, as this can be easily cleaned off. These spotlights are hard plastic built all over. Its shell is rock solid, so it may still survive any minor accidents it may come across. The sensor motion only works when darkness falls, and it will last for 30 seconds when no motion is detected. If your light's not paired properly to connect on the motion settings, then move one away and then match it towards the right settings, making sure they are both working and blinking together. You can control the lights with the remote while you're up to 20 meters away. This will vary if you're indoors and your light is outdoors. One set of batteries will last you 6 to 12 months on an average use. If you forget to turn off your light, not to worry, as it will automatically do that for you, saving you battery power. Each light costs in between £20 to £30 depending upon where you shop. Overall, I had no issues with this device, and I'm really happy that I came across this spotlight which runs for a very long time. Easy to use with no electrical wiring at all. So guys, I'm sure you can see me, and I'm just going to do a quick test out here while it's dark of the Mr. Beam spotlight, and let's see how bright this goes. So let's switch this one on. Oh yes, look at that. I've just put it on the 140 lumens. This is how bright you can go, and this is just from one spotlight. You can use this as a torch, which is pretty good actually. So what I'm going to use now is 2 spotlights, and let's see how bright this goes. Now these two are paired, so if I just click on the on button, they should come on together. Let's check this one out. You can aim it from there. Pretty not bad for a battery powered light. So guys, if you're looking for any spotlights that don't require any electrical wiring and that could last you for a very long time, then look no further than Mr. Beam's remote control spotlight. As I mentioned, I had these 2 spotlights for over a couple of months now, and they've been through all the weather conditions, and as you can see, they are still working. The battery life for these 2 spotlights are amazing. They will last you a very long time. Not to forget, you can synchronize and pair these 2 spotlights together for you to control it by only using one remote. You can also pair up a couple of more spotlights to connect with the same remote. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my quick setup and review of Mr. Beam's remote controlled spotlight, and if you have any questions regarding it, just leave them in the comment section below and I shall get back to you shortly, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.